You hear that, folks? You hear that? I'm really love this song, man. Listen, yeah, that song. I really love it, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's make a better day. Come on, I'm right here, man. We are the world. We are the children. Better days. Look, we are the world. We are the children. Better days. Let's start giving. Let's start giving. Let's start giving. You know what I'm saying, folks? That's it. That's the key. Start giving. Whatever you have, even just a little thing, you have to serve. That's the meaning of that. You know what I'm saying? We are the world. We are the children. All we need is love, man. We need love because we come from God, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just waking up just a little bit right here. You see where I am right now? My gosh. I'm blessed, man. Let's go. Click the link right here. Let's go. Let's go. You hear that? I'm just walk a little bit like this. Look where I am. Wow. I'm blessed, man. You see this? I'm out here, folks. I'm just walking out on the beach. And you see? Oh my gosh. That's really fantastic. You see? Wow. You know, this is the ships, Mercy ships. Can you see that? Mercy ships. Okay, let me tell you something. Something happened to me today. Uh, I was driving tic-tic today because today is Saturday, and I've met a beautiful American girl. I've met that girl while I'm driving tic-tic, and we talking each other. We talking each other, and that girl, uh, you know, she's really interested about what I'm. She's really interested about what I'm saying to them, to her, and I'm really vibrant when I say something to her, and I feel blessed, man. I'm really feel blessed. I love this place, man. You know what? I really love this place. This place is incredible, vibrant. That's why I'm out here. Today is Saturday. Saturday. That's why that I'm out here. I'm just to take a brief out here. Um, just walking. That's why I'm out here. Just by myself. Only me. That's what I'm doing. Every Saturday, I do my best. I'm just working. I do what I want to live in my life. That kind of life of my freedom of mind. You know what I'm saying? The freedom of mind. That's what I'm living right now. I'm out here in Tamra, best place here in Madagascar, East Coast. You know what I'm saying? I love my life, man. This is the little advice for all of you who watching this video. Just be proud of your life. Appreciate your life. That's what I can. What I can say to you. Be proud of your life. And now I manifest that guy, and you see, boss, my friend Dendra, you know who's this guy? This is my friend. O levanta lá, é. Se não é que levanta lá, já lá. You see that? I manifest that guy. You see, be proud of yourself, man. Be proud of yourself. I gotta leave you. I gotta leave you. Gotta leave you. You know what I'm saying? Just hit that.